In this video, I will show you how to add payment methods in WooCommerce. First, open your WordPress dashboard and go to your WooCommerce website. From the left menu, click on WooCommerce and then go to Settings. Inside Settings, open the Payments tab, where you will see all available payment options. Here you will find different payment methods like direct bank transfer, cash on delivery, and other available gateways depending on your setup. To enable any method, simply turn on the toggle or click Manage to configure it. If you want to add more payment options like PayPal or Stripe, go to Plugins, click Add New, search for the payment gateway you want, install it, and activate it. After activation, come back to the Payments section and enable it. Once everything is set, save your changes. Now your WooCommerce store will show multiple payment methods at checkout, and customers can choose their preferred option easily. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.